Hi and welcome to the tutorial on how to get started with JMARS. This is just going to be a basic, easy tutorial on how to find JMARS, how to download it, and how to open it. So the first thing you're going to do is go down to the Mars Ed website. So you're going to go to marsed.asu.edu and it should bring you to a web page that looks just like the one that's on my screen. The next thing you're going to do is go down to these tabs and you'll see a JMARS for MSIP. So you want to make sure that's clicked and you see an image just like this one. Then you're going to click the image and this should bring you to a new web page. So now this new web page will help you download JMARS. So you'll see at the top it says to run JMARS, click the link below. So it automatically figures out what type of computer you're on. So you should be able to just click this link and it should be okay. But if for some reason it's not showing up, then you can click one of the links down here depending on what type of computer you're on. So mine shows up, so I'm just going to click this link and you'll see that it's downloading. And now that it's done downloading, I'm just going to click on it. Keep in mind each computer is a little bit different, but this is how you do it for the Mac. It's basically the same process for all of them. I'm going to click that download link. It should open a folder for you. There should be something in there called JMARS MSIP Student Installer. So you're going to double click this icon and it's going to start the installation process for you. It should be pretty easy and relatively fast. And I'm going to say yes, I trust it. And it's going to start my download process. Alright, so now the installation installer is starting. Now it's done installing and you only have one last thing to do. And if you want a desktop item, you can click this button. If not, you can unclick it. But I like icons, so I'm going to click it. And I want to run JMARS right away, so I'm going to have that checked as well. Press finish. Alright, so here's the JMARS starting. And it should bring you automatically to a login. Now keep in mind this email and password should both be given to you by your teacher. But for now I'm going to put my information in just so you can see how JMARS looks when we open it. So once JMARS starts to open, just give it a second to load. And if you see 3 different layers over here on your left hand side and Mars in the background, then you did it correctly and you now have JMARS on your computer. If you run into any problems or have any errors, please tell your teacher and your teacher will get back to us. Okay, thanks. Bye.